just arrived in Washington Dulles Airport. Please stay seated. Keep your seatbelt fastened until we come to a complete stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. There'll be a uniform representative meeting our flight. They'll be able to assist you with your connecting flight trying to get you to Dallas this evening. I'm not sure what the plan is at this point, but as soon as we know information, we will definitely make sure you know it as well. So please just stay seated. We do deplane a little differently than normal. We deplane by row numbers for social distancing purposes. So I will call row numbers once we land and the seatbelt sign is off. So just stay seated and I will let you know when your row number